This is how I looked like in 2019 after my surgery. And this is how I looked like 8 months later. Nothing outstanding, but I did good progress. You've probably watched plenty of videos about how to build an aesthetic body, but still confused. Here's the most simple guide to make progress. And at the end, I have a pro tip for you. Step 1. Mindset. Don't expect to see your body transforming after 1 month, otherwise you will get frustrated and quit. Be patient and trust the process. Step 2. Design your workout routine. Never copy workouts from other fitness YouTubers. Listen, we all have different bodies, different muscle lengths, muscle insertions, maybe previous injuries. They are called anatomical conflicts. Maybe squat isn't for you. Maybe barbell bench press will only cause you shoulder problems and you won't benefit from it. I won't give you a workout routine, but in the description you can download a document where I talk about the best and worst exercises for each anatomical conflict. Download it. It's free. Step 3. Workout plan. Choose a plan you will stick to it. Whether you go to the gym 3, 4, or 6 times a week doesn't matter. Do what you think will help you stay consistent and never skip a training taking into consideration your schedule. Step 4. Nutrition. If you are a beginner, don't waste time calculating macros. I'm not saying it's BS, but you will make progress without it. Just make sure to eat a lot and keep it as healthy and diversified as possible. Your best allies are eggs, chicken, oats, peanut butter, olive oil, fruits, and vegetables. Don't forget to keep proteins high. A hack is to drink a shaker every day. It's healthy, contains high calories and high proteins. Step 5. Rest. I'm not going to waste your time and tell you to sleep at least 8 hours a day. Listen, it's not about the hours of sleep, but the quality of it. You may sleep 12 hours and still don't benefit from it and wake up tired. You need to improve your sleep quality. Please no screens 1 hour before bed. Thank me later. Pro tip. It's not about motivation, but about discipline. As Hamza always says, do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Make it easy and obvious for you to train. When you go outside, for example, to school, take your gym clothes with you. Prepare your bag at night and put it next to the door. These small actions will help you stay consistent, and it becomes a lifestyle. If you want to learn about how to stop being lazy, go watch this video.